I won't deny it, I'm a straight rider. You don't wanna fuck with me. Got the police busting at me, but they can't do nothing to the G. Let's get ready to rumble. Really don't want the mind like the police busting. Get down for this.
Hey PinkLash, how's everybody doing today? I hope great. So I'm back with a DIY project. Those that know me, who knew me in middle school and high school, you guys already know that I'm a huge Tupac fan. I love Tupac. My favorite album, I believe, is All Eyes on Me. I also like Me Against the World, but I love Tupac. I was a huge Tupac fan in middle school, high school. I still am. And so I have on a Tupac shirt today, but we're going to be making a Tupac themed jean jacket. So all right, so for this project you're going to need some sewing material. I just picked this kit up from the Dollar Tree. So you're going to need a needle and thread, something that's going to match the material you're going to use. Like for instance, I'm going to be using this Tupac shirt. It's a Tupac shirt that we're no longer using. Like my kids have outgrown it. And then I found me an old jean jacket. You may already have one that you don't mind using. I just got this from a local thrift store. So, and some scissors. So come on. So I already know that I'm going to put the picture of Tupac on the back. So I'm going to cut around this. You can freestyle cut, or if you have something that you can mark with, then go ahead and use that. I happen to have a white like matte pencil, so I'm just going to like freehand where I want to cut. I don't know if I wanted the Machiavelli to be on there or not, but you can decide. I'm pretty sure I don't want that on mine. I may use that somewhere else. Okay, now that we have our little amateur sewing done, if you have a sewing machine, you know you can definitely use a sewing machine. And if you don't have a sewing machine on hand, you can always just do a little simple stitch by hand. And now what we're going to do is we're going to start the distressing process. Because this has a very unfinished edge, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go around and I'm just going to make little snips. Careful not to cut past where you stitched. The distressing process, if you had a razor, you could do that, but I'm just going to find spots that I wanted to distress it, so I'm just going to cut. Having sharp scissors would be helpful too, which I do not have at the moment. basically that's what I'm going to do. You just go through, find areas that you want to distress cut a slit. And then you can cut it more if your scissors are not sharp. And then it'll start to fray pretty much on its own. But when you wash it and dry it, it will really fray up. Alright, so I got some bleach. And I put a little bit in this top. I'm going to dip it in here.
I ain't a killer, but don't push me. Revenge is like the sweetest joy next to picture paragraphs unloaded. Wise words being quoted. Beat the weakness in the rap game and sold it. Bow down, pray to God, hoping that he's listening. See a niggas coming for me. My diamonds when they glistening. Now pay attention, rest in peace, father. I'm a ghost.